Hey guys, it's currently Thursday, April 4th, 1:43. My apartment is a huge mess. So, what are we gonna be doing today? We're gonna be cleaning it together, because teamwork makes the dream work. I have to clean out my fridge because there's a lot of expired food. I'm gonna give you a brief tour of what my apartment looks like right now. The eggs are expired. I think the cheese is also expired. This tomato looks disgusting. The apples are rotten. Oh yeah, this beef and pork is definitely not good anymore. I don't even like Kool-Aid. Why do I have Kool-Aid? Oh yeah, I also have a bunch of boxes. I don't know what to do. My desk is also a complete mess. This coffee table is supposed to go right here, but I'm too lazy. This is gonna be a very boring video. I guess let's start with the living room since I'm already here. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this in the previous video, but I live in like the downtown of the city I live in, and this street right here is very busy. Oh my god, I have to do the laundry. Ow. Also, if you're wondering why is there a desk here and why is your couch in the middle of nowhere, I don't know, okay? I don't know. Don't ask me that. Gosh. This desk and this chair don't go well together because when I sit, my legs usually hit the drawers, so I have to take one out whenever I'm sitting here. And like the chair doesn't even go in all the way, it just stops there. Ugh. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why I still have my agenda from my old school that I dropped out of, I don't know. Hey Google, what day is it?
It is Thursday, the 4th of April, 2019.
Thursday, the 4th of April. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 2:16.
2:16, so I would be... Wait, what's at 2:16? Third period, what day is it? It's day 3, and day 3, I would be in math right now. So I have a dog at home and she has so much fur and it's always everywhere, and she's never been to my apartment because I'm not allowed to bring animals in my apartment, and there's so much dog hair on the couch, and like I said, she's never even been here. Look at this chunk. Oh my god, there's even more down here. Ugh. Oh my god, it's all flying. I guess I'm done with the living room. Onto the kitchen, I guess. I think that's a good angle. Alright, this is what the kitchen looks like now. I feel like I should clean and reorganize the inside of the fridge, but I'm too lazy, so I'm not gonna do that. Oh, it smells so bad. Alright, let's clean the bathroom now. And now this is what the bathroom looks like. I didn't really clean it, I just cleaned like this. And I also don't feel like cleaning that, so we're gonna clean this room now. Well, that was pretty easy. I just had to do the bed. And yeah, that's for the guest room. And now my room. I gotta put all my dirty clothes in my hamper because right now it's all over the place. So I have an Apple Watch and it's fucking broken. It broke and it costs like 400 bucks to fix. So fuck you, Apple. I want to fill up my fridge with a bunch of Red Bull. I didn't actually bother to make the bed look nice. I don't know why there's lighter on top of... What even is that? A pineapple? I don't know. What am I supposed to do with this? I'll put it in the guest room. We've got my Calvin Klein winter coat, my Levi's jean jacket, my Vans jacket, and my other Vans jacket. And then I have a bunch of my boots and shoes and sandals and stuff. Timberlands, Michael Kors, Champions, Adidas, Roshes, Vans, all of it. So yeah. So I'm done cleaning. I didn't really bother to clean the fridge or the closet because I'm too lazy, but I'm gonna do a quick apartment tour, clean version this time because it's clean. So this is the door when you walk in. This is just a little closet that I showed you earlier. When you walk in, the first thing you see is the kitchen. We got my oven, we got my kitchen, I guess. It's a pretty small kitchen. It actually doesn't even come with a dishwasher, so I have to hand wash everything. This is my fridge. It has lots of expired food in it. And then over here we have like a counter thingy. I still don't have a dining table. I'm gonna buy that really soon because I need one. Over here we have like my cookware and bakeware stuff. The one next to it, I store my water and my kitchen appliances. There's not a lot of counter space, so I just store it here, and whenever I need to use it, I just take it out. After the kitchen, you see the living room. Obviously, I'm gonna have a dining table here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm gonna put something on this wall because it's really plain and boring. Then you have the living room. I have my TV stand, my coffee table, my couch. I actually don't know why my guitar is here. I'm gonna put a plant right here. And then like I'm gonna put a lamp over here. You're gonna see it. This isn't the final product yet. Then we have my desk area. We have my Google Home, my computers, my printer, and my Wi-Fi thingy. And then in this room, we have all of this. But yeah, we have the guest room, family room, my dad's room. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. We also have like a terrace. Let's go outside. Oh look, there's rules. Oh, I can have a barbecue thingy up here. That's cool, okay. I guess I'll do that this summer. Also, these blinds are freaking horrendous. I'm gonna change those. My mom made me put those. They're so ugly. Onto the bathroom. We have my washer and dryer. We have my mop, dustpan thingy stuff in there. Storage. This is my sink. This is my mirror. It's also a medicine cabinet. Under the sink, you have more storage, toilet, shower. And then this is my room. There's a bed, side table, dresser with a bunch of clothes that I did not fold, I just stuffed in there. Random stuff like I showed earlier, tripod for this camera, my messy closet, and yeah, that's my apartment. I'm definitely gonna do another apartment tour in the future just because it's not done. Like I said, I still don't have my dining table or anything. But yeah, the reason I made this video was because I actually really wanted to do a cleaning my room video, but I'm not in my room right now. I'm in my apartment because my room back in Montreal is really messy and I just wanted to clean that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning my apartment with me video. I don't know. This is a really random video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.